Hey, wait. If you are a business owner, an AI enthusiast, and you want to automate your business so that it can grow online automatically, then this is the right video for you to watch. Because in this video, I'm going to introduce you to the High Level Lab community and what exactly we do inside it for you to understand the value of it. Not just that, you're also going to get access to my courses, studio templates, coaching recordings, and as well as AI prompts. All of this is going to get covered in this video, so make sure you stay till the end. Now, I have been introducing High Level Lab to many people, and guess what? They have got amazing results by implementing what I teach inside this community for free. By the way, it's free for the first 500 members right here, as mentioned, right? So what happens is this is the free high level AI starter kit where you get to understand and implement the AI tools of high level in your business so that you can grow it and implement it in order for you to reach the maximum heights. Now, how exactly we do it, right? So this is starter kit designed by me, and I have been helping over 100 plus businesses across 12 plus countries in the last 5 years generate over $4 million of collective revenue. And I have been doing this with my agency as a done for you service. Now, I want to get and create a community where I show it to you as to what I have been doing over the years and how I can implement and adopt AI technology in order to grow your business as well. With this exposure and experience, this is going to be a game changer community for people who want to grow online in 2026 and more. Let me quickly show it to you exactly what you're going to get, and then I'll take you inside the community as well. So the first thing here is the free high level app business training. I've been creating a lot of business content about how to grow and approach different businesses in order for you to provide them services and your AI software. If that's a yes, this is the right community for you. Along with this, you also get access to my premium snapshot where you do not have to build everything from scratch. Rather, 80% of work is already done by me. You have to click on one click import and add everything inside your account. The third thing is we are going to do weekly live group sessions. I've been already doing it and recording it inside my community, and everybody can take the benefit of it in order to come live, ask me question, and I will help them out in order and grow in their business. Live sessions you miss, a recording will be provided for you to learn and implement it in your own pace. Not just that way, I'm also going to share client acquisition strategies. Whether you want to create online, go cold outreach, or create DM strategies, everything is going to be covered inside this community. Now let me quickly take you inside this community and show it to you what exactly happening. This is a school community that I have designed called as the High Level Lab. All the links should be in the description box here. So what you're trying to do here is we're trying to help you understand about the high level business. We'll be helping you to learn how can you do it as a beginner and then take you to the advanced level with step by step process. Not just that, we already have around 175 people inside this community, and we have been implementing things left and right. So as you can see, this is the AI chatbot training coming soon. We have been using AI Studio Premium website and funnel creation guide. We've also been doing one-on-one onboarding sessions for those who join our premium community, right? And guess what? These kinds of output, when you see, you will be blown out because this quality is world class level. I'm not just saying that you're going to be a designer, but you're going to be a world class designer using the AI Studio, right? So these kind of amazing stuff and comments that I have been getting from people is crazy good, because guess what, people are learning, implementing, and guess what, our sessions are really helpful and helping people clarify a lot inside their AI business. So all of this going to get covered inside this community. Let me quickly take you inside the classroom and show it to you what exactly we are doing. I have this high level account set up 5 hour challenge where I record everything. Along with this, I also give you this free snapshot here. So front tutorials, website tutorials, form service setup, automation and sales pipeline, import contacts, connect website, connect your sub accounts, connect your email domain, literally everything that you can imagine. So without this, you also going to get the AI Studio template. Now, this is the most amazing part here, because if you see, I have a template for every single niche, whether you are in the home service and contractor niche, finance and insurance, legal niche, medical, healthcare, dental, real estate, SaaS marketing, and coaches. And let me quickly give you an overview of all of this. Here, if you click on preview here, you will be able to see these premium websites come to life, and these are all built inside the high levels AI Studio. And not just that, they look absolutely stunning, attractive inside this. Guess what? You people are charging $2,000 to $3,000 for every video. People are charging $2,000 to $3,000 for every website like these, but you are going to get absolutely for free, as well as my AI templates in order for you to implement it with our AI prompts. All of that is here, and all of these are 100% mobile optimized, and they look really, really stunning. They do not look like an AI slop. Rather, they look like something that you have been craving for to add inside your high level agency service. And this is the difference between how you create premium templates. And I'm going to give you all of that for free. If you think that this looks good on mobile, guess what? This is also perfectly done on inside the mobile mode as well. So you get the experience of a great website, but also an amazing mobile optimized performance. Now, this is what people are looking for when they want to pay you a premium price. And that's exactly what you'll be learning inside my community. Not just that, we also have modern insurance website. Let me quickly show you that here. Again, all of this is premiumly done and delivered to you so that you can take advantage of all of these landing pages, funnels, website that we have been creating. And these are multi-page website that I have spent days in order to optimize and grow. Quickly take a look at these kind of functioning systems, right? So these are not just kind of AI slobs, rather these are actually premium ones which actually function, right? So think about the effort that we have been putting out. I normally charge around $1,000 to create a website like these, but you are going to get many of these websites for absolutely free without you having to pay a penny to me. And that's the reason why basically I'm creating this community to help people grow and learn from my experience so that they can become part of something much bigger than just the services I provide. So as you can see here, one of the dental website that I have been creating, and by the way, these looks really stunning. You'll be stunned with the quality that these website possess and the quality it looks, and these are actually really really nice. I mean, anybody will pay a premium price in order to avail them and add them as your own regular websites. Now, I'm not kidding, because since I've been in this industry for a long time, I kind of know what people expect and how to impress people. And I'm sure you also have a wow effect when I tell you that these are all created inside the AI studio and not just any other premium builder. And these kind of quality comes to existence only because of the professionalism, the quality, and the experience that I have had over the last 5 years. But I want to give it to you and teach you all of this for free, because a lot of AI studio tutorials are also going to come up inside my program. So this is amazing. Let me really show you this one, which is the modern marketing one. And this is outstanding because this looks super amazing for an AI studio website. I mean, nobody will be able to think that this is built on AI studio, because people do not have the ability in order to create premium website using the simple prompts, and which is great and which is right, because this is not just done by one single prompt. I have been implementing and iterating these kinds of website for over a few months now, and have invested days inside each of these. Just look at these kind of effects. I mean, they look absolutely stunning. The kind of quality this brings to your website and your ability to learn is crazy good, because when you create these kinds of professional website for your clients, they're going to be happy, they're going to pay you money, and they are going to stick to your software. Now, this is what I want to produce. Not just that, we also have AI prompts where I show it to you as to how you can duplicate this inside your high level account. So as you can see, with this particular AI guide, you'll be able to duplicate it inside your high level account. And without this, we also have the recordings. By the way, we are also conducting weekly sessions that's happening every single Wednesday, right? And this is happening at 1 p.m. Eastern time every single Wednesday, right? So this is a coaching session where I take you on a ride with me in order to learn about high level, its systems, its processes, and how can you implement it faster inside your account. If this sounds like a very interesting offer to you, or you think that this community can genuinely help you, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to give you the link for that as well.